Okay. So we're watching a video called Sophie Rain is ruining Gen Z. Now, I don't know how. I'm gonna be real. To start it, I don't know how. How is Sophie Rain ruining Gen Z? I'm sorry, Gen Z. You F-tier gooners if you have anything to do with Sophie Rain. Now, for some reason, people know her. I don't know why people know her. I did my research, my nigga. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know why people know her. And she's famous as hell. I don't know if she's like the Ash Cash of this generation or whatever, but youngins know who Sophie Rain is. And that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Actually, we got a youngin in the Discord right now that we gonna call who know about Sophie Rain. I'm gonna ask him. We got a few questions for him. You know what I'm saying? We got a few questions. Yo.
Alright, first I ain't no youngin, little.
You say you ain't no youngin,
fat little boy.
Say it again, cause you lagging with your Temu Wi-Fi, little nigga.
Shut up, fat ass.
I don't know what's going on with Gen Z. You know what I'm saying? Your parents should be ashamed. RTT football. So how old are you again?
13, turning 14.
What did you see on TikTok about Sophie Rain, bro?
Spider-Man.
What about the Spider-Man did you see about Sophie Rain?
Everything. Nothing. I don't know.
Did you do your further research? Be real.
Maybe.
You too young to know about gooning, young man. You too young. She.
I said, shut up, Unc. Oh, gated community. I don't want to hear it.
You from a gated community? Who are you talking to, bro? Who you talking to?
Nah, bro. You lived in a suburb, bro.
Well, are you in the hood? Okay, RTT. We going to go watch this Sophie Rain video, bro. She ruined Gen Z. She ruined you, gang. She ruined you. You're the problem.
All right, shut up.
All right.
Batty hub.
What you know about Batty hub, little nigga? Chat, we're doomed as a humanity. Let's see how Sophie Rain is ruining Gen Z. If she ruined Gen Z, he has to be a victim of what has been ruined.
Alright, so let's play a little game. Is this worth your time? Where I give you a story about some drama on the internet, and we decide together if it's worth your time. Well, apparently Sophie Rain is sending news to minors. Sophie Rain has been in—
Somebody said, I ruined him. I did not ruin him. I have nothing to do. Somebody said she's a TikTok drama warrior. I have never seen Sophie Rain on my FYP.
Well, apparently Sophie Rain is sending news to minors. Sophie Rain—
She's sending what to minors?
has been in a lot of controversy recently. First up, if you don't know who this is, she's an OF model who uses Twitter and TikTok heavily to promote her stuff. And a lot of people don't like the methods.
This is a Tom, you seen that shit? Did that shit y'all niggas see? Where the full man? I see the link. Where did that shit y'all niggas see in the Spider-Man console? Okay, little nigga, okay. Okay, I'm seeing it. I am seeing it. Okay.
How she promotes her OnlyFans. Let me put you on. First, let's start off with the Twitter. Now, on Twitter, she basically posts these thirst traps on her page with the link in her bio to her OnlyFans attached to it. And she will use keywords like gamers or anime just to—
Well, shit. Chat, it's only one way to find out. Chat, is Sophie Rain... like, what do y'all rate her out of 10? Let's check out this Twitter, all right? Blind reaction. You know what I'm saying? Blind reaction, chat. It's time to click it, chat. First thing I see is leak. All right. See, this is that shit I'm talking about. See, this is that shit I don't get, bro. This is that shit I'm talking about. Look, bro. She rich. Y'all niggas is just beating to anything. L goons. Terrible goons, bro. I'm not even no goon pro, but like, I'm just saying, like, she's just famous, bro. I don't see the hype. It's nothing on here, by the way. It's just, I can't. It's nothing on here, bro. You hard right now, shut the Where? If I'm brick right now, expose me, nigga. I'm not brick, nigga. I'm not brick. F-tier goons, my nigga.
Attract that type of audience and those type of damn bad guys to then look at her, get horny, beat off, and then buy her OnlyFans. Which, I mean—
Why did this donate again and say, pull them down then?
Which, I mean, is bad, but I mean, literally—
It's a method.
The same thing. Like, literally, if you look up gaming or anime boy or anything along those keywords on Twitter, you will see a plethora of OnlyFans models posting thirst traps with links to their OnlyFans. And actually—
Only one way to find out, right? He said if you look up anime. What did he say if you look it up? I would never search this up in my free time, by the way. She's taking advantage of simps. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. It just looks like you looked up Rule 34. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty trash. Like, I'm dead disappointed. They're taking advantage of nerds, gang. Any OF model is just taking advantage of dorks.
And actually, the link to the OnlyFans might not be there no more because Elon has taken it upon himself to try and ban these—
Yo, what type of freak ass gift was that?
Click the link in my bio, which again is to their OnlyFans. But the one thing that Sophie does different is that she'll occasionally tweet out this little post. Cute pics in your DMs if you say hi. Now, a lot of y'all might think this is cap because there's no way that she can actually DM that many people. But what y'all seem to forget is that Sophie Rain isn't.
Why is it, bro? Come on. Yo, Vamp, moderate these, bro. Why my whole chat say Gooner up next? Yo, moderate these niggas, man. This is 20, I just looked at 50 messages that said Gooner up next. That's why I need multiple mods, nigga. I ain't no Gooner. My own mod? It's my own mod saying that shit? Are they wrong? Oh, heck. At least a 3-message maximum.
Now, a lot of y'all might think this is cap because there's no way that she can actually DM that many people. But what y'all seem to forget is that Sophie Rain isn't actually managing this account. Her OF manager is. This OF manager does actually send out to a majority of people who do comment under her post as promo.
Nah, I was just about to say that. Another thing that y'all don't know, y'all know Ice Spice does not run her account. Like her Twitter and shit like that. He's simping under a whole ass man posting posts. I don't get why comment under girls posts like I don't understand why under comment sections like girls is just magically gonna like respond to your comment. Like you're just boosting their ego and just making them like kind of ignore more dudes. Facts.
To her OnlyFans, which again doesn't seem that bad. I mean, it just seems like that be on his grind until you realize where majority of her audience comes from. Now let's get to the TikTok. See, the way that Sophie promotes her OnlyFans on TikTok is a little bit different. See, on TikTok, Sophie collabs with other OF creators, and they all do these sexual dances where they're basically just twerking and throwing ass. But they do these dances in a certain
simping over some milk
type of apparel, costume.
Oh, I whistled the intro. Okay.
Spider-Man outfit. Now, if you already know who Sophie Rain is, then you will know this certain picture is very, very.
I ain't never seen this picture in my life. I never seen this picture in my. I don't know who this is. Chat, do y'all know who this is? You're the Goon Squad? Cat. I ain't never seen this picture in my life. I don't know who this is. Do y'all know who these people is? Like this person right here? I have no clue.
Popular. Basically, one day she tweeted out her and her friend Ashley or Shaw, whatever her name is, and she tweeted out this promo for a new tape that they allegedly dropped on their OnlyFans, which was like deleted or something and became like a huge deal in meme or whatever. Now you're probably wondering, how did this photo become so big? I mean, they're just in a Spider-Man costume. You don't even see anything. Well, let me tell you why. See, Sophie and Asha's fan base, mainly Sophie's fan base, is just a bunch of kids. Like, I dare you, go into her TikTok comment section, click on a random profile, and I guarantee it will be a little 13-year-old Jimmy who probably has 5 or 6 posts of his Fortnite highlights. This is the
fact. We just got done speaking to Sophie Rain's biggest fan, bro. Nigga was 13. Let's go to her shit. Oh my. Let's go to her comment section. 9 million followers. Okay. Grown men know this is bad goons. I'm just being real. Like any grown age knows this is horrific goons. Man. Remind me at 10K likes. You care. Yup. XXX Tentacion. No, Juice WRLD profile picture. Yeah, it is a bunch of kids. Sad.
Type of audience that she garners, and she knows this. The reason why I know she knows this is because back to the PJs and costumes. Why do you think she does this right here? Why do you think they posted the Spider-Man video in the first place? They're trying to appeal to kids because kids are the most likely to be down bad enough to buy an own. And she knows this, but still continues to market herself to kids anyway. And back to the situation on Twitter. Now knowing her fan base, how old do you think the people are that she's sending these nudes to? Exactly. Now, what this is right here is indirectly sending to minors. Now, technically, this is not illegal because Sophie or her management, whoever's behind her Twitter account, don't know the age of these minors. But if you really look into this process, I'm sure you can find some type of law that these people are breaking. This is weird and it's f***ed up. If you're going to be a OF model, at least market your products to adults. Marketing yourself to is crazy, and it's clearly obvious that's what they're trying to do. Sophie,
yeah, that's true. I ain't gonna lie, chat. If you see a girl in a Spider-Man costume, nigga, in November, and you thinking about something to do with that, you kind of weird your damn self. You should not be seeing a girl in a Spider-Man costume and getting any type of thoughts. Facts. And it's sad because, like, bro, you know it's bad when people younger than me are starting to become like OF models and shit. That's how I know. Once born in like 2004 and 5.
I'm the only one who does this, and I'm actually gonna have a video talking about another OF creator that does this too. But this is a big problem and nobody's talking about it. Actually, that's
bro, it's a money glitch. I know she's rich as hell.
Cheezer also noticed this and he called her out on it.
Alright, so yeah, anyways, about this Sophie Rain girl, I have no, bro, why would I respect this girl? She sells only to little kids. These are the new generation serial killers, bro. They're sending foods to little boys.
But this isn't the only
Serial killers.
versus she got into with another popular celebrity. A few months back, she actually got into some drama with Aiden Ross, a very popular.
Wait, she did?
We all know of course. Now this drama started when Aiden Ross was put under a lie detector, and when his friend Silky asked if
I
Sophie
seen that.
did anything, he didn't give the correct answer.
Is this Sophie or Sophia Rain?
No, I never.
It's Sophie, right? Did you have sexual intercourse with Sophie Rain?
No. That's a lie.
Okay, done. Thank you. I said the wrong name.
Respectfully, beating your meat to somebody Aiden is clapping is nasty work, bro. This nigga Aiden will come on stream and say shit like he ain't showered in 3 days. And then you're gonna beat your meat to somebody he's clapping. What the
Especially since after this happened, Sophie made a Twitter post exposing her and Aiden's DMs, which it looked like he was having a conversation with himself, which in the DMs, it didn't look good. You ain't gonna lie, bro was having a conversation with him.
Oh no! How would Aiden manage to do that without getting my number? Yeah, Aiden just like me for real, bro. And you gotta shoot 2 DMs, bro. If you're not willing to double text a shorty, you're not hungry. Her a message at 2 o'clock in the morning. He just finished looking at the Twitter. If you message her at 2 a.m. in the morning, seen the Twitter, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. But still, in my opinion, it's kind of lame to host DMs. That's a private thing.
I don't think he's simping,
though. It does kind
though.
of make sense in the circumstance since people were blowing up her phone. But apparently, Sophie claimed that she never met Aiden, let alone slept with him, and that she's also still a virgin. Which, alright, man.
Wait, she's what?
Slept with him, and that she's also still a virgin.
Marketing anything to your face, just a market. Somebody said she got a song with NLE. I heard that bullshit.
Alright, man. I guess, man. I guess. Yeah, I'm a virgin too. But eventually, Aiden and Sophie did get on call to clear up the air.
So I want to clear things up. I am live right now. I want to clear things up. First of all, chat, I said no on the lie detector thing. I've never met you before, correct?
No.
Okay, so you are a virgin.
Yes, I am.
So she's 18. I'm not gonna ask no questions.
All right.
No canceling of Aiden.
The internet's probably not going to, but I believe
Yeah,
you.
exactly. And that's why, like, I get comments every day saying, like, how many bodies I have and stuff. And I'm like, no, I'm a virgin. And as soon as that came out, I'm, like, getting worried now that people aren't really going to believe me.
Yeah.
This is a plan to make money. I hope y'all eyes are open. What is more marketable? That she has no bodies or that she has 2,000 bodies? What makes her worth go up? Come on, man. It's marketable, bro. You got to open your eyes up.
I get you. So how many bodies do they think you have?
Oh, my God. They range from 1 to 100 in the comments.
She's even stuttering right there. How you gonna cancel Aiden with 90 viewers? Dick eating. I would explain it, but like, bro, come on. Cancel is a figure of speech, not necessarily what I exactly mean. When I say cancel Aiden, I mean I'm not gonna say something that makes Aiden look bad. What was I gonna say? Why is a grown-ass man questioning an 18-year-old's sexual history? Is that not kind of crazy? Now, I said I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to make Aiden look bad.
The comments.
It's a figure of speech.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh, okay. And then you are from Florida, right?
Yeah. I was born in Miami.
Again, with the virgin thing, like, let's just be real here, bro. Who we lying to? Maybe she's just saying that for PR purposes, but I mean,
Nigga, that's to make money.
You do OnlyFans and you live in Miami, bro. Like, you're not.
I'm sorry, but this is actually disgusting. She's targeting literal predators at this point, if you think about it. She's looking at for bro, she's not only is she doing that, but she's also like wearing like costumes that apply to like kids. Like, only kinky old men want to see a girl in a man costume on a random day of the week, bro.
Nobody. Is this worth your time? Yes, and also fuck now. Now look, people, I already know what you're thinking. Cloud, how is this situation not worth talking about? I mean, this girl is sending explicit pics to that's crazy. And while yes, I do agree with you, she's not the only person. Pretty much every single OF
Wait, we gotta see this.
Girl on Twitter does the same thing. And see, the reason why they all do this is because they're not actually doing it. Their managers are, which is who we really should look at and also call them out. While yes, the girls,
yo, can this nigga talk louder?
They are allowing this to happen on their platform. I guarantee if you ask half of those girls if they know anything about this whole operation that they're doing, they will probably.
Do y'all believe that she's a virgin, chat? Yes or no? I don't know. I don't know, bro. I can't. something in me wants to believe it, bro. Like maybe at one point, probably not now, but maybe when she got famous, bro. Probably not right now though. I think maybe when she got famous though.
Look at you like you're crazy because they don't know.
Imagine automatically going into becoming an OnlyFans model before anything else. Like you ain't even like done nothing and you're already an OnlyFans model. It's kind of sad.
Really don't know. I'm not.
Somebody said NLE tap that. That's true. That's true though. He ain't even lying though. I know. Matter of fact, maybe she is capping.
Their managers are also
What's this
too, and nobody wants to talk about this when it's very obvious. Like I hate to break it to you,
The manager,
but
the weirdest
that
nigga.
engaged with that post. Sophie Rain isn't actually sending you pictures; it's her manager. And while yes, this is a very serious issue, and I feel like it does need to get talked about, this whole situation has been talked about a lot by a bunch of YouTubers who literally recycle the same script, the same clips, and everything I did in my video on theirs multiple times. Because oh yeah, that's
she
also
can't get
what I
stopped.
forgot to tell you. The video y'all just watched of me explaining that whole controversy, that was a part of a video I posted on my burner account talking about the same thing that got 700,000 views. And I
700. Damn.
literally got that whole video idea, the whole script, every single clip, all of the information about this drama from another YouTuber who has posted about this drama 4 different times. Each video recycling the same information he got from the last.
In LE you drive me crazy, fly me out and have my baby. I got my freak, I am feeling you, slam me out in your Mercedes.
This Sophie Rain lyrics word for word. You'll never touch a my ox cord. Chat, this Sophie Rain lyrics word for word.
Over 1 million views, and that's why he keeps on doing it. Now, if you go check Sophie Rain's Twitter, she doesn't do this anymore. This is an old topic, and it happened a long time ago. Buddy is still posting about it, and I'm not finna expose him because at the end of the day, he's just trying to get back. But I'm making this video to let you know and tell you, stop engaging with recycled content. Understand spreading awareness about a situation, but a YouTube video isn't a one-time thing. You can rewatch that shit and get the same information that you need rather than recycling the same video. Like, that's crazy. And I also feel like if we're finna call out Sophie Rain, we should also call out everybody else who does it. This is an OnlyFans girl problem, not just a Sophie Rain girl problem. But the reason why so many YouTubers talk about Sophie Rain is because for some reason her videos just always do well. So I will say this again. Yes, this topic is important, but people are milking it dry. It's already been dealt with. Let's not just target one person. I feel like we should just...
This pretty much made me watch 9 minutes of the video and say, haha, got that ass at the end. That's actually crazy. W video though, calling OF girl models is like saying McDonald's is fine dining. Well, hold up, nigga. Chat, is McDonald's not a W? Is McDonald's not a W? Hold up, nigga. There is no reason children should know who this is. I agree. Cloud, meanwhile, falling for the same trap. Cloud know deep down he wants Sophie. Why do niggas say shit like that, bro? Sophie is bad goons. They said, how desperate you gotta be for money to market to minors. Facts. I ain't gonna lie, Sophie Rain got a money glitch going. Any OF girl got a money glitch going. Out here hustling, bro. LeBron, bro, think about it, chat. People work hard to go to the NBA, NFL, soccer league, whatever. And all a girl gotta do is pose just like this. And she rich! That shit not fair, bro. But hey, at the end of the day, YouTubers got a money glitch going around too. So